Today I'm making a 3-layer bubble tea. Add the tapioca powders to boiling water. Reduce to medium heat. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse in cold water to remove the slime and make them chewy. Dissolve the purple yam powder in hot water, then add honey and vanilla extract and mix well. Sift the matcha powder through a fine strainer. Sugar is optional. See what happens if you leave it out at the end of the video. Whisk the matcha in a front to back motion using a chasen. Pour the purple yam mixture into a glass. Add the tapioca powders. Then pour in milk or soy milk. Finally, pour in a matcha mixture. Beautiful layers have formed. Without sugar, the matcha becomes lighter than the milk and ends up on top. The advantages of making it yourself are lower sugar and save money.